Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to do a double crochet for absolute beginners. This is part 4 to my crochet for absolute beginner series. If you haven't already, please watch part 1, 2 and 3 so you can learn how to make chains, single crochet and half double crochet, and the link is in the description below. For this video, I will be using 4mm red acrylic yarn and the 4mm crochet hook. So over here, I'm just making 12 chains. So here are the 12 chains finished, and we are going to be placing our first double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So you're going to be skipping the first 3 chains. So here's the first one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. And you're going to be placing your double crochet in this 4th one over here. So when making a double crochet, you have to yarn over first and insert your hook into the 4th chain. You should now see 3 loops on your hook. You yarn over again and you pull the hook through the chain, and you should have 3 loops again. You yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You yarn over one last time and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's your first double crochet finished. So we're just going to do a few more. So we're just going to yarn over and insert the hook into the next chain. Now yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your second double crochet finished. So I'll just demonstrate one last time. So you yarn over, you insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and you pull the hook through the chain, yarn over and pull the hook through the first 2 loops, yarn over one last time and pull the hook through the last 2 loops. That's your third double crochet finished. So this is the end to my part 4 video on how to double crochet on my How to Crochet for Absolute Beginner series. If you haven't already, check out the first 3 parts and check out my Instagram and TikTok that are linked in the description below. And if you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos coming to this channel.